Would you like to see what 20 years of innovation looks like? So the 2006 210 Popular used to have windows. Now they use decals. This comes out, which is pretty nice. How about that for the cool cat? This is a king-sized bed, and the way the door folds in, it doesn't take up any room. Would you like to see what 20 years of innovation looks like? I'm going to show you two really special vans. If you're a Road Trek fan, you're going to come out of your chair when you see the first one. It's a 2006, the last one they made, just like that. They don't make those anymore, and today they're making these. This is the 50th anniversary celebration. I'm going to show you both today. My name's Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large, all about compact travel. Today we're talking vans, and this is pretty cool. We're at the Road Trek Rally, August 2024. Come along with me. Let me show you these two amazing vans. So this is the 2006 210 Popular. This was actually personally designed by the founder of Road Trek. His son is now using this van. Jeff, he's here at the show. Wait to see some of the special things that make this amazing van. First thing is, it's a standard Popular 210, except for a few changes. One of those right away is no graphics on the outside. It looks like something from the future, even though it's almost 20 years old. It's on a GM, GM chassis. Not used to that low thing right there. Curtains, chair spin around. Did I mention a GM chassis? These are signature Road Trek. They actually used to have windows. Now they use decals. How cool is that? If you're sitting here enjoying something to eat or drink and watching the moon go back and forth. That's pretty cool. And there's three of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. They don't put windows in them anymore, but now they have that kind of decal on the outside of the van. It's very signature, trademarked for Road Trek. I am standing up in the van, you can see here, and I have a fair amount of clearance. Pretty amazing. Thanks for watching, by the way. Really appreciate that. Storage. This is the guy's personal van, so I'm not going to open up a bunch of drawers and what have you. This comes out, which is pretty nice. And sink, 2-burner propane, signature Road Trek, brushed aluminum, windows, storage, microwave, fridge. This is one of the other few modifications, and this is a king-sized bed in this van. It's permanently down as a bed. Storage. How about that for the cool cat? Oh yeah. AC and heat pump storage. This is kind of cool here. This is the bathroom. And because it's all fiberglass, you don't need a shower curtain. And it's huge. I would say it's almost as big, if maybe even bigger, than a Winnebago Travado 59G floor plan bathroom. And again, no shower curtain needed. It's pretty special. Love the counter heights too, unless you're short. And the way the door folds in, it doesn't take up any room in the living area. How about fluorescent lights in your van? Pretty cool, right? This is where the this is a hidden drain. Some storage. Got a TV. That's what we're going to look at next, because this you cannot buy today. It'd be cool though, huh? This is the Chase 50 on the Ram ProMaster chassis. Power steps. Lagoon style pedestal table. That's a little unusual. This makes a work, eat, drink, watch TV, whatever area up here, which is nice because if somebody's back here in bed, you can get some things done up here while that person sleeps, mostly uninterrupted. Light color scheme, love that. A little bit of storage up here. Here's the bathroom if you want to compare to what we just saw. Oh yeah. It's pretty spacious too. Got a reasonable sized sink, which I really do appreciate. Shower. You do need a curtain here because of the doors, but the way you can work this is have the doors stick out like this, kind of hard one-handed, like that. So it gives you a little more elbow room. Can you see that okay? Oh yeah. A little more elbow room when you are taking a shower or doing your business. This is a traditional wet flush toilet, macerating, which is super nice. Love the dual tone color scheme. Super great. Nice sized galley. This flips up. Oh, it's tight in there. There we go. Counter extension. There it goes. So when you are using the sink, using the induction cooktop, this is work area. But wait, there's more. This can actually come around this way, like that. So now this becomes work surface. And once you have dinner made, you can serve it right from here to all your friends here at the rally. It's pretty awesome. Super smart layout. Nice, ooh, ouch. Sorry folks. Sink. Love the placement of the faucet because it's out of the way, not taking up any space you wouldn't otherwise use. Speaking of cooking, look at this pantry. Holy smokes. It's ginormous. Love that it's a white freezer by Vitrafrigo. Quite large. Well insulated, very efficient. Oh, somebody's got jerky in there, nice. I like that it's up at a shoulder, well, the hip height. I'm 5'10" or so. So here you don't have to get on your knees to get anything out of the fridge or freezer. The galley on this side, it's got a small microwave. This bug really likes me all of a sudden. See him? Oh my gosh. Whoa, he's a big one. Shoe fly. Down here we got storage. And you always tell a quality product because I think of the plumbing system. If we could see the wiring, we'd probably see a really nice wiring job, not what we sometimes see. And because it's induction, you have a drawer down below and storage down here. Pretty nice. And I love the attention to detail here. These are all laser cut for each chassis. So there's no, oh my gosh, this bug is killing me. Ah, go away. Ah, there, got him. Even the ceiling is molded. So this isn't a rolled out vinyl ceiling. These are panels that are molded to fit. Really, really nice. Induction cooktop, so propane not there. Hey, brushed aluminum, which is nice. And brushed aluminum here, super pretty. If we look over here, we have a huge top drawer. Look at the size of this thing. Very sturdy. And here is wardrobe. This is at least twice the size of my wardrobe in my Travada, so I'm a little shirt envious here. Probably the only guy that travels in a van with hanging clothes. I really like the two-tone cabinetry, really large cabinets, positive locking. It has a really nice finish to it compared to this, which has a little bit of texture to it, like wood grain. It's just really, really pleasant. Here's a Firefly system. So this controls the tanks, temperature, things of that nature. On this side, more storage, you guessed it. and I'm told they're bolted to the chassis, which is pretty cool. And here, it's hard to see, but there's actually an aluminum molding piece right here, extruded molding. And I never noticed that before. We talked with the rep earlier today, and this edge on the cabinets in my van, maybe yours too, gets banged up because things are being pushed in, pushed out, and this gets to be banged up with an aluminum extruded edge. It gives it a little bit of curb appeal too. It does make the van last longer. A Truma air conditioning system, very efficient, very modern. 2 huge twin beds. Cup holders. There's a table mount here. The windows are automotive windows, and then these are the frames, or the bug screen and the shade. Pretty awesome. Television with a little cover, so there's not a big black rectangle looking at you all the time. Pretty cool mount, so it does swivel. See that? Yep. So you can watch it up there. This is soft fabric, really nicely done. After the video here. Here's some little attention to detail that I love to point out things like this. Since I traveled pretty extensively for 5 years nonstop in my van, some manufacturers would have just made this rail go straight or this countertop go all the way across, which is fine. But they've taken a few extra hours here to kind of put this, take away those few inches right here. You see that? Why is that important? So you have some big hip room, more space in the hallway. And by doing that, it gives not a functional, but an aesthetic as well. And the same thing here. This is in the Chase 50 Anniversary Edition. Some may not put anything here. Some may just put a piece of cheap wood. They've taken and put glass in here. So it gives the, stops anything from flying off when you're cooking, which is great. But it's visually pleasing as well. Super smart. Here's the other Firefly control up here for all your systems. This does come lithium equipped. All right, let's show you outside quick. There's a grab handle. This is the bug screen. This is the two-tone color, so it's maybe hard to see here, but this is actually a silver paint on some of the accent points. Whoa, that bug is out to get me. Here's the back side, obviously. Got a little bit of garage storage here. And a little bit down here. But the beds are permanent, kind of like some of the popular floor plans where it's 2 twin beds. These I do think are quite a bit wider than some of the other twin beds I've seen. Again, a little bit of storage here. Really nicely done. Here's another example of the aluminum, just to protect the floor. Even the plywood here has been sanded, really nice. Just for your maps and stuff, so when you're laying in bed, that's kind of cool. And there's a springy pocket for water bottles, what have you. It's sort of stealthy-ish. Doesn't scream RV. Automotive glass. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching. Give us a thumb up, sure appreciate that. Subscribe if you like travel content, van content. Power step. Oh, this bug is killing me. This is where the, there we go. Systems are here for the waste tanks to empty. This is the macerator pump, so it chews up the waste in the toilet and then goes into the tank, and then this has a 9-foot hose. You can put it out here into the hole, and according to the rep, the days of having to get the black, I'm gonna leave that down, black tank gloves out to deal with the stinky slinky are over. So pretty cool, 20 years or so of innovation. First guys building camper vans, 50 years later, still doing it, bringing a great product to market. It always impresses me to see the Roadtrek product. Until we see you soon, we like to say, journey on and peace be with you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.